They love it when I turn off the bass.
Alright, for this Anna build, for her ability, I go reduce damage, 70% damage reduction, stamina hit recovery, so when you're getting hit, you gain stamina. So if you're running out of stamina and they hit you, it's great. And then quicker recharge, because this only takes 80% damage reduction and you already have 70, so. And the duration is 11 seconds, but I like the recharge rate. For perks, as usual, we go choose flight. It gives you the 3 full stamina bars, including the one that you have, which makes it 4. Extra drip. After using a health item, you will continue to receive 6 HP for 12 seconds. I mean, that's insane. So, one little small pot will bring you up to full health. You'll see that later on in the video. And then, what doesn't kill you? After being injured by a melee attack, avoiding additional damage for 15 seconds will reward you with 100 of the health you just lost. So if Bubba hits you with a big rev and does, you know, just say 80% of your health, you'll gain all 80% of it back in 15 seconds. It's great. I run max proficiency because getting out of the doors are everything. You don't really need to run toughness because you can heal up forever. You can heal back what damage gets done to you. This is a damage reduction. Her ability is a damage reduction. So, I mean, toughness and endurance, you don't really need the endurance because you have choose flight. I mean, proficiency is the only other thing that is super important. So that's why I put it here. I go max proficiency. I can open a door just as fast as Connie. For the skill tree, I'm not exactly sure which ones are random because I haven't done this in a while, but you go up the middle, to the left, all the way up, to the left again, up, right, up, and then to the right. Screenshot it, let me know. Here, I'll even buy this one for you, just so we can see. Oh, it's actually a really good one. Alright, this is the build. Let me know what you guys think. Enjoy. What happened to you, Sonny?
Sonny deserves it.
Oh my god.
Should have got away.
What are they doing to me?
Hey, what exit are we doing?
Gotta
What's
be
happening?
something I can use around
Probably
here.
try to work on Valve, maybe.
Alright. What area is this, by the way? I was not paying attention.
Slaughterhouse.
Slaughterhouse?
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this.
Good morning, Grandpa.
Yo, he's breaking the Bubba door slam door.
Looks like some kind of lockpick. Thank God.
Let he's beelining it right for you, bro.
Finally. I should see your eyes.
He's coming around.
Right, I got him at the other Bubba slam door.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open most of the doors down here.
Who's the Leland?
I wanna say that's Jake. No, Jake's Connie.
I'm Connie.
Okay.
What?
That is true.
Gotta be Jake. Alright.
I got him stuck over here. They're coming down to help him.
Okay.
Oh, the fire department.
Get away from me, buddies. We got God spot for what you call him too. For the tank.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. Thank you.
Oh!
Wait. What's that?
Oh my
Is
god, they
this
all would come upstairs!
Yeah, I was
Don't even
door slamming
think
two of
about it,
them.
Anna. Just stay calm.
He hit me fucking hard. Never mind, I'm dead.
We working on anything or we going for Valve?
I'm in slaughterhouse right now.
I think they know you're in slaughter.
Yeah, something tells me,
Where's G-Pop at? Right there. I guess I'll go around. Okay.
What is this?
Hello?
Okay, stay quiet, Anna. You're right there.
I'm in the bottom market. Left door in slaughterhouse is 2/3 of the way.
Hidden.
Alright, I got Valve, so.
What's that over there? Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Oh, I can use this. A knife, maybe.
Cook, didn't you learn your lesson, buddy? I said, didn't you learn your lesson? I'm assuming that's a no.
How many times we gotta teach you this lesson,
Two
old
of them are
man?
here. I got two of them down there on pump. Oh, my health's not there?
This should help the pain.
Heal me up, baby. My baby boy Leland at.
Is Bubba coming over to slaughterhouse?
I haven't heard him at all. I'm sure Cook's about to be right here, right? No way he's not. Okay.
Thank you.
That might just open. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to open up.
Turning battery off right now.
Oh no, I just jumped in here by accident.
Battery's ready.
Yeah, we're out of here.
Well, I mean, me and you are out of here.
Yeah, you're good to go. Let me kill this guy real quick.
Yeah, there's no chickens over here. I was trying to find one too.
Okay. Oh my god. I have to find
GG's.
help.
Where they at? Look at them all.
Oh, 3150. Jake said he was looping Bubba by Fuse.
You ran right by me, hitchhiker.
Damn. That was a quick game to get 3,300. I was getting door slams like crazy.